Can God create a stone that he cannot lift? Answer: I have a question. Can an educated person, for example, a doctor, write the contents of this page on paper using a stone that has no material on it? Certainly not. But does that mean the doctor is illiterate? Of course not. We simply say that such an action is impossible and has nothing to do with the doctor's level of education. Similarly, the question about God is flawed, and those who pose it think they are challenging the concept of God's omnipotence. But how? All we know that God is all-powerful. Now, skeptics ask a question that, whether we answer yes or no, leads to the conclusion that God is not truly omnipotent. But can God be both all-powerful and not all-powerful at the same time? No. This would mean combining two contradictions, also known as the law of non-contradiction, which all rational minds agree is impossible. Naturally, God, who is wise, does not engage in impossible or illogical actions. Therefore, we conclude that this action itself is impossible, and its impossibility has nothing to do with God's power. Just like the example of the educated doctor trying to write with an empty stone. In other words, such an act is inherently impossible and does not fall under God's omnipotence, not because he is not all-powerful, but because a wise being does not engage in illogical actions.